Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Badoo for beginners, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, let's get started now. So for that, simply go ahead, you have to simply open up your Badoo app on your mobile phone. Go ahead, open it up, and now you're simply gonna go back, and this is how your profile gonna appear, right? In the chat section, you will be able to check out all of the profiles that you have liked and matched with, and whom you have your chats, messages and chats, right? If you go to this nearby section, it will simply show you the profiles that are nearby, which of the distance range that you have selected. And then if you go to this likes section, where you will be able to check out the likes profile of yours that you have liked, right? And if you simply want to go back, then you're gonna go to this encounters, where you will be able to check out the possible encounters that they can have. And from over here you can simply again swipe to your left, which will be simply rejecting. If you swipe to your right, that means you're also interested in that person, you will have mutual interest, and you will be able to chat with them right over here. If you want to simply change anything about your account or simply delete it, you're gonna go to your profile section, check out your details, tap on the settings icon, you will get more info regarding account, and you will be able to also delete them as well. So that is basically the explanation for each features that you have to know mainly. But if you want to know further, if you have a question regarding any specific one, let us know in the comments below. And yes, this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.